Now see here, this is called x-axis, x-axis dash. This is the positive side of x-axis and this is the negative side of x-axis. Similarly, this is called y-axis. The point where they are intersecting is called origin. It's clear? Now, how will you write the coordinate of a point? So see here, coordinate of point. First we write x coordinate, and then comma y coordinate. What is the other name of x coordinate and y coordinate? It is known as abscissa, and this is known as ordinate. X coordinate is known as abscissa and y coordinate is known as ordinate. It's clear? Now see here, what do you mean by x coordinate and y coordinate? So see here, you first you do the numbering on x axis as well as on y axis. So on both axes, O is given number 0. Means on x axis where is 0? 0 is this point. It's clear? Then this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. This side is negative side, -1, -2, -3, -4. Then on y axis also this is 0. So here this is positive side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here it is negative side, -1, -2, -3, -4, and here -5. That's why coordinate of O is 0, 0. Now what is the meaning of x coordinate and y coordinate? Suppose this is the point P. So हम ये देखेंगे कि ये x एक्सिस में किस नंबर के सामने है, पहले ये देखेंगे। तो x एक्सिस में किसके सामने है? 2 के सामने। y एक्सिस में किसके सामने है? 3 के सामने। So what will be its coordinate? 2, 3. What is abscissa? 2. Ordinate 3. अगर हम ये पॉइंट ले Q, ये x एक्सिस में किसके सामने है? -4, y एक्सिस में -2. So it is -4, -2. It's clear? Whether it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now suppose if you take this point R. So you can see here on x axis it is just above the 3. So x coordinate is 3, and on y axis it is in front of 0. Y axis is this, it's clear, and it is in front of 0. ये 0 के सामने है y axis में. So 3, 0. If you take this point on x axis it is above -2, and on y axis it is in front of 0. y axis में 0 के सामने है, -2, 0. मतलब जितने भी पॉइंट्स x एक्सिस में होंगे उनका y कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होगा? 0 होगा। आया समझे? all the points situated on x axis have y coordinate have y coordinate 0. That is, their coordinate will be of form x, 0. x एक्सिस पर कोई भी पॉइंट होगा उसके कोऑर्डिनेट इस टाइप के होंगे, x, 0 के फॉर्म के। Now since all the coordinates having x coordinate, y coordinate 0, y equals to 0, x एक्सिस के लिए हर एक पॉइंट का y क्या है 0 है, therefore equation of x axis it is taken as y equals to 0. ये इक्वेशन ऑफ x एक्सिस है, समझ में आया? This is clear. Suppose it is given,
Yes, sir.
it is given, let there is a point, there is a point on x axis whose abscissa is 5. What will be coordinate of point? What will be coordinate of point? ये दिया हुआ है कि एक पॉइंट एक्स एक्सिस में है जिसका एब्सिसा क्या है 5 है, उस पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होंगे? तो 5, 0 हो जाएंगे। क्यों? क्योंकि ऑर्डिनेट तो 0 होता ही है एक्स एक्सिस में, एक्स एक्सिस पर y कोऑर्डिनेट जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं ऑर्डिनेट भी कहते हैं, दैट इज 0। इट इज क्लियर? सो इट विल बी 5, 0। इट इज क्लियर? Similarly, if you take any point on y axis, suppose you have taken this point, so on x axis it is u, on x axis it is in front of 0, x axis का 0 कहां पर है? यहाँ पर है, ये x axis का 0 है, ये 0 के ठीक सामने u है, and on y axis it is in front of 4, so it is 0, 4. This is clear? You take this point, it is 0, 2. Take this point, it is 0, -3. It's clear? Therefore, here you can see x coordinate of every point, x coordinate जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं एब्सिसा of every point on y axis is 0. X coordinate of every point on y axis is 0. Therefore, coordinate of that point, coordinate of any point is of coordinate of any point on y axis is of form 0, y. किस फॉर्म के होंगे? 0, y के फॉर्म के। आगे समझे? इट विल बी ऑफ 0, y। इक्वेशन ऑफ y एक्सिस क्या हो जाएगी? कौन बोलेगा? Who will tell? Equation of y axis.
X is equal to 0.
X equals to 0. It will be x equals to 0. It's clear? Now you can see here. Suppose there is any line parallel to x axis. Any line parallel to x axis. This line you can take. If you write coordinate of various points on this line, जैसे इस पॉइंट का कोऑर्डिनेट लिखें तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? This will be, this is on x axis in front of 1, on y axis in front of 2, 1, if you take this point, it is on x axis in front of 3, on y axis 3, 2. ऐसा ये पॉइंट लें on x axis in front of -3, on y axis 2, -3, 2। मतलब यहां पर ये जो लाइन पैरेलल टू x एक्सिस है उसके हर एक पॉइंट का y कोऑर्डिनेट क्या है? 2 है। Its y coordinate is 2. So what will be its equation? Y equals to 2. Its equation will be y equals to 2. जैसे यहां पर हर एक पॉइंट का y कोऑर्डिनेट 0 था तो इक्वेशन क्या हो गई थी, y इक्वल्स टू 0। इट इज क्लियर। यहां पर हर एक पॉइंट का इस लाइन पर जितने भी पॉइंट्स हैं they are having y coordinate as 2, therefore its equation will be y equals to 2. It's clear. And what is 2? You can say that it is perpendicular distance of line from x-axis. It is perpendicular distance of line from x-axis. This point is clear. या 2 क्या है, जिस पॉइंट पर ये लाइन y एक्सिस को मिले, ये 2, ये। दिस इज क्लियर।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You see this line, what will be the equation of this line? Who can tell? Equation of this line, let me try. What will be equation of this line? It is parallel to x-axis, therefore it will be y equals to how much?
-4.
-4. Y equals to -4. You take any point here, their y coordinate will be -4. 1 comma -4, 3 comma -4. It's clear. This is -1 comma -4. It's clear. What is -4? It is perpendicular distance of line from x-axis. So you can say here, we can say equation of any line, equation of any line parallel to x-axis is y equals to k, where k is what? Perpendicular distance of line from x-axis. Perpendicular distance of line from x-axis. It's clear. This is k. This point is clear. Similarly, if the line is parallel to this, I am making on the other page. You can see here. Now you take a line parallel to y-axis. Now if you take any point on this line, you take this point, x-axis में ये 2 के सामने, y-axis में 0. X-axis में 2 and y-axis में 0. It will be 2 comma 0. You take this point. It is in front of 2 here and in front of 1. So 2 comma 1. Take this point. In front of 2 and in front of 3. 2 comma 3. This. It is in front of 2 and in front of -2. So 2 comma -2. It is in front of 2 and in front of -4. 2 comma -4. It's clear. So if you see every point is having y coordinate as x coordinate as 2. So what will be its equation? X equals to 2. जैसे y एक्सिस पर हर एक पॉइंट का x कोऑर्डिनेट क्या था? 0 था, तो इसकी इक्वेशन क्या हो गई थी? x इक्वल्स टू 0. इसकी इक्वेशन x इक्वल्स टू 2. व्हाट इज 2? 2 इज दिस डिस्टेंस. या हम कह सकते हैं 2 क्या है? ये पॉइंट है जहां से ये x एक्सिस को कट कर रही है, ये इसका एब्सिसा. If you draw this line, what is its equation? Who can tell?
X is equal to -3.
X equals to -3. जहां पर ये कट करे उस पॉइंट का एब्सिसा ना, x equals to -3. मतलब एक रूल क्या है? What is rule? You can see equation of any line parallel to y-axis is x equals to h, where h is perpendicular distance of line from y-axis. It's clear? This is. Now after this we will do reflection. So as you know that in reflection what happens? Image forms edge behind the mirror edge in front of the mirror line. Image forms edge behind the mirror line, edge behind the mirror line, as it is in front of it. जितना आगे होगी उतना ही इमेज पीछे बनेगी. जितना ये इमेज लाइन के आगे होगी उतना ही क्या होगी? मिरर लाइन के आगे होगी उतना ही पीछे बनेगी. Suppose the mirror line is this. This line is the mirror line. This is mirror line. And suppose this is a point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 6 points ahead of in front of it. So image कहाँ बनेगी? इसकी इमेज ठीक इसके सामने इधर बनेगी. इमेज क्या होगी? ठीक सामने बनेगी. ये ऐसा नहीं है कि ये यहाँ खड़ा है और इमेज यहाँ बन रही है. ये ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. ऐसा. So image will form on a line which passes through O and perpendicular to the line. पहली चीज तो क्या है? Image will form on which line? Image will form on the line which passes through O and perpendicular to the image line. Perpendicular to the image line. And it will form edge behind, edge it is in front of it. कितना आगे है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Image will form here. Image will form here. Means क्या है reflection का rule? Image of any point O on reflection of a line will form on a perpendicular line on reflection on a line. On reflection of a line will form on a perpendicular line to mirror line. To mirror line. And edge behind edge, it is in front of it. I said, number one, image will form on the line which is perpendicular to the mirror line. Image will form on the line which is perpendicular to the mirror line and will form edge behind edge, it is in front of the mirror line. It's clear? अब देख लो यहां पर अगर इसको m नेम कर दे तो OM और IM क्या होगी, लेंथ में बराबर होगी. जो OM की लेंथ है वही IM की, ये भी 6 यूनिट है, ये भी 6 यूनिट है. आए समझे? तो मिरर लाइन क्या हो गई, OI का राइट बाइसेक्टर हो गई. मिरर लाइन क्या हो गई, इट इज द राइट बाइसेक्टर ऑफ द लाइन सेगमेंट ज्वाइनिंग ऑब्जेक्ट पॉइंट एंड image point. It's clear? Line segment joining object point and image point. Therefore, I can write here. Therefore, mirror line is right bisector. Right bisector means perpendicular bisector. ये मिरर लाइन क्या कर रही है, ये लाइन क्या कर रही है, OI को परपेंडिकुलरली बाइसेक्ट कर रही है, परपेंडिकुलरली दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर रही है ना. सो मिरर लाइन इज द राइट बाइसेक्टर ऑफ दिस लाइन सेगमेंट. इट्स क्लियर? सो मिरर लाइन इज राइट बाइसेक्टर ऑफ लाइन सेगमेंट ज्वाइनिंग object point and image point. Object point and image point. It's clear? Now see here, we will see reflection on x-axis. Reflection on x-axis. First we will see the reflection on x-axis. So you can see here. Let me make the other diagram. This is X, O, H. O is known as origin, whose value on x-axis as well as on y-axis is 0, comma 0. Now see here, suppose you take this point. What will be its coordinate? Who can tell? Point
3.
2, 3, and it is being reflected over x-axis. This point is reflected over x-axis. So according to the rule, image will form where? On a perpendicular line passing through this and to
सर तन्वीत को ज्वाइन कर लीजिए.
तन्वीत नहीं है यार.
सर उसका मैसेज आया है, टेल द सर टू ज्वाइन मी.
Now see here. So image of O will form where? Its image under reflection on x-axis. Its image under reflection on x-axis will form on the other line, which is perpendicular to x-axis, and edge behind, edge it is in front of it. Edge behind, edge it is in front of it. देख लो. You can see here, image of O under reflection on x-axis will form on the line which passes through O and perpendicular to x-axis. और कितना आगे है? 1 2 3. तो 3 पीछे, 1 2 3 means ये इमेज हो जाएगी. Now what will be its coordinate? On x-axis it is in front of 2, on y-axis -3. 2, -3 means क्या चेंज हुआ? x कोऑर्डिनेट तो वही, पर y कोऑर्डिनेट का साइन चेंज. y कोऑर्डिनेट का साइन चेंज. If you take this point, its coordinate will be what? If you see, on x-axis in front of -3, on y-axis it is in front of 2, so -3, it's clear. Now when it will be reflected on x-axis, इमेज कहां बनेगी? इससे पास होती हुई लाइन जो x-axis के परपेंडिकुलर हो. और कितना पीछे? जितना ये आगे है. आगे कितना है? 1 2. यहां से 1 and then 2. So here 1 2 means here. What will be the coordinate of this point? On x-axis -3. On y-axis it is -2. So you can see here, ये रिफ्लेक्शन ये ऐसे हुआ तो शो कर दिया, ये ऐसे हुआ. इससे पता चल रहा है इसको रिफ्लेक्ट किया गया है, ये मिला. अगर उल्टा एरो लगा हो देन इट मींस इसको रिफ्लेक्ट किया गया है और ये मिला. सो यू कैन सी हियर which coordinate has changed. X coordinate is same and y coordinate sign has changed. It is clear. Means when a point is reflected on x-axis, then its y coordinate get changed. मतलब अगर क्या है, a, b है, उसको x-axis में रिफ्लेक्ट करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? a, -b. a, b when reflected on x-axis will give a, -b. This is clear. So this is one formula you will write in the same way. Without drawing the diagram, you can know, suppose if there is a point 5, 4 reflected on x-axis, what will be the coordinate of image? Y coordinate ka sign will be changed, 5, -4. This is clear. This point is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now